Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of webhook URLs, what they are, why they're useful, and how you can leverage them to streamline your online activities. So, what exactly is a webhook URL? Think of it as a messenger that delivers real-time data from one application to another. It's like having a direct line of communication between different software systems, allowing them to interact seamlessly. Let's start by creating our own webhook URL using a handy tool called webhook.site. Simply open your browser and search for webhook.site. And voila, you're greeted with a user-friendly interface. Click on New to generate a new webhook link. Copy the URL provided. This is your webhook URL, unique to your session. Paste the webhook URL into the designated parameter and hit Send. Pay close attention to webhook.site. You should see a notification pop up. That's the webhook in action, delivering the payload in real time. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can harness the power of webhook URLs to automate tasks, receive instant notifications, and streamline your workflow.